Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone,
welcome to
welcome to
this
this
video
video
tutorial. In
tutorial.
this
In this
video, we are
video,
going
we
to
are
be
going to be
looking at
looking at
the
the
latest
latest
news on
news on
Binance that
Binance
just
that
dropped
just
out
dropped out
today,
today,
which is
which is
Binance
Binance
NFT.
NFT.
So if this is
So
the
if this is
first
the
time you're
first time
hearing
you're hearing
about it,
about it,
stay tuned
stay
to the
tuned
end
to
of
the
this
end of this
video
video
because we are going to
because we
be
are going to be
discussing
discussing
everything about
everything
it. So
about
this
it.
is the
So this
first
is the
time I'm
first time
also
I'm also
opening it
opening
too.
it too.
So let's
So
share
let's
it
share it
together.
together.
If you are
If
new
you are
to my
new to my
channel, I want you
channel, I
to
want you
like
to
this
like
video
this
so that
video
more
so that
people
more
can
people
find
can
this
find
video
this
just
video
as you
just as
have.
you have.
And
And
also,
also,
if you
if you
subscribe to this
subscribe to this
channel,
channel,
that would be
that would be
fantastic.
fantastic.
So without
So
wasting
without
of
wasting of
time,
time,
let's get
let's
into the
get into the
video.
video.
First
First
question,
question,
what is
what is
NFT?
NFT?
What is
What is
NFT?
NFT?
So if you go
So
to
if you
your
go to your
favorite browser
favorite
and
browser
just
and
type
just type
the name
the
there,
name there,
NFT, you can
NFT, you
see
can
here
see here
NFT
NFT
and
and
non-fungible
non-fungible
token.
token.
This is a
This is a
unit of
unit of
data
data
stored on a
stored on a
digital
digital
layer.
layer.
To
To
me, the
me,
way I
the way I
put
put
this
this
is
is
assets that are
assets
being
that are being
stored
stored
digitally.
digitally.
So
So
anything
anything
which could
which
be
could be
photos,
photos,
videos,
videos,
audios,
audios,
or any
or
other
any other
digital
digital
file
file
that can be
that can be
stored in a
stored in a
particular
particular
ledger
ledger
or
or
blockchain
blockchain
is
is
called
called
NFT,
NFT,
non-fungible
non-fungible
token.
token.
So let's
So
go into
let's go into
Binance and see
Binance
what
and
they
see
have
what
to
they
say
have to say
about this.
about this.
So
So
already
already
Binance
Binance
NFT
NFT
Marketplace is
Marketplace
now
is now
live. This
live.
message
This
came
message
out
came out
today
today
as of
as of
8:11
8:11
a.m.
a.m.
today.
today.
So it's
So it's
saying,
saying,
hello,
hello,
Binance. I don't
Binance.
know
I
how
don't
they
know how they
pronounce that.
pronounce
They
that.
said the
They said the
Binance NFT
Binance NFT
Marketplace is now
Marketplace is now
live.
live.
And
And
to
to
present a
present a
full
full
NFT
NFT
Marketplace
Marketplace
experience to
experience
you,
to
we
you,
have
we have
launched our
launched our
first
first
premium
premium
assure
assure
called
called
Genesis,
Genesis,
the
the
mystery
mystery
box, and
box,
also
and also
revealed the
reveal the
marketplace
marketplace
for a
for a
recent
recent
announced 100
announced 100
creators.
creators.
I don't know
I
what
don't
they're
know
saying
what they're
about
saying
that,
about
but
that, but
all we are
all
trying
they
to
are trying
say
to
is
say is
Binance
Binance
NFT
NFT
Marketplace is now
Marketplace is now
live.
live.
So without
So
waste
without
of
waste
time, I
of
want
time, I
you all
want you all
to
to go into your
if you
system.
have a
If you have a
mobile phone.
mobile phone,
I don't know
I
if
don't
it's
know if it is
available on
available on
mobile phone
mobile
yet,
phone yet,
but
or
if you're
if
using
you're
the web
using the web
version,
version,
let's check
let's check
what it's
what
all
it's all
about.
about.
So as you
So
can
as
see
you
here,
can
there's
see
a
here,
new
there's a new
section called
section called
NFTs. I'm
NFT.
going
So
to
I'm going
click
to
on it.
click on it.
Let's open
Let's
it and
open
see
it
what
and see
it's
what it's
all
all
about. This
about.
is the
This is
first
the
time
first
I'm
time I'm
opening it
opening it
too.
too.
So we're
So
saying
we're saying
marketplace,
marketplace,
mystery
mystery
box,
box,
history,
history,
language.
language.
So
So
let's get
let's
into
get
it.
into
Get
it. Get
started.
started.
So let's see
So
what's
let's see what's
available here.
available there.
This
This
art
art
is
is
beautiful.
beautiful.
This art
This
is
art is
beautiful.
beautiful.
And it has a
And it
name
has a
here.
name here.
Tokidoki.
Tokidoki.
Maybe that's the
Maybe that's
name
the
of
name
this
of
art.
this art.
And
And
this
this
picture
picture
could be
could
a
be a
non-fungible
non-fungible
token. If it is
token. If it is
available to
available to
sell,
sell,
that means
that
people will
means
be
people
able
will be able
to
to
price and
price
also
and also
auctions. They'll
auctions.
be able
They'll
to
be able to
buy
buy
this
this
particular
particular um,
NFT.
NFT.
So
So
NFT could
NFT
be
could be
audio,
audio,
could be
could be
pictures, or
pictures,
any
or any
other
other
digital
digital
assets or
assets or
digital
digital
file
file
that
that
are
are
original and
original
could
and
be
could be
sold.
sold.
So as you can
So as you
see
can see
now,
now,
this
this
was
was
already
already
sold.
sold.
This was
This was
already
already
sold at
sold at
20
20
BUSD.
BUSD.
This was
This was
already
already
sold.
sold.
This was
This was
already
already
sold.
sold.
This is a
This is a
dummy
dummy
account, so
account,
I
so
do
I
not
do not
have
have
um
um
assets, or I
assets
do
or
not
I
have
do
any
not have any
cryptocurrency in
cryptocurrency
this
in this
account.
account.
I just
I
wanted
just
to
wanted
be
to be
sure, just
sure,
as
just
you
as
are
you are
too,
too,
to know
to
what
know
all
what
this
all
is
this is
about.
about.
So
So
these
these
products, for
products, for
example,
example,
All Star
All Star
Mystery Box
Mystery
Series
Box Series
1.
1.
So
So
this
this
is it.
is it.
This is the
This is the
original
original
format
format
of this
of this
file.
file.
The name
The name
is
is
Tokidoki.
Tokidoki.
So this
So
is it.
this is
It
it. It
looks very
looks very
beautiful.
beautiful.
Imagine
Imagine
having this
having this
asset, and
asset and
only you in
only
the
you in
whole
the
world
whole world
has the
has the
original
original
copy
copy
of this
of this
asset. It was
asset. It was
currently
currently
sold out
sold
at
out at
20
20
BUSD.
BUSD.
This is a
This is a
stable
stable
coin.
coin.
20
20
BUSD.
BUSD.
Wow,
Wow,
that's very
that's
nice.
very nice.
So
So
imagine
imagine
if
if
we could
we could
trade
trade
this too.
this
So
too.
that
So that
means
means
whoever
whoever
bought
bought
this
this
will be able
will
to
be able
sell
to
it later
sell it
in
later in
future for a
future for
higher
a higher
price.
price.
Guess guess what?
Trust
There are
me, there
many
are
people
many
that
people
are
that
going to
are going to
bid
bid
a higher
a higher
value
value
for this
for
same
this same
picture if
picture
it's
if it's
available
available
again in
again in
future.
future.
Binance
NFT
NFT
will be
wonderful. So
wonderful.
let's
So
read
let's
about
read
this
about this
product
product
description
description
and
and
see
see
whether or
whether or
not you would
not
have
you
been
would have been
interested in
interested
it
in it
or not.
or not.
So the
So
product
the product
description
description
says
says
the
the
collection is
collection
made of
is made of
16
16
iconic
iconic
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
designs
designs
from the
from the
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
universe with
universe with
3
three
exclusive
exclusive
Binance
Binance
branded
branded
characters.
characters.
So it's
So
made
it's
of
made of
16
16
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
designs
designs
from the
from the
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
universe.
universe.
So I
So I
believe
believe
all
all
these would
these would
be
be
the
the
different
different
16
16
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
designs. I
designs.
think
I think
so.
so.
From
From
this
this
universe.
universe.
Wow,
Wow,
that's very
that's
nice.
very
So
nice. So
that's the
that's
product
the product
description.
description.
So
So
it has
it
real
has real
introduction. They
introduction.
also
They
have
also have
about the
about the
artist. As you
artist.
can
As you can
see,
see,
Tokidoki is
Tokidoki is a
translate
translate
to
to
something in
something in
Japanese.
Japanese.
I'm not
I'm not
interested about
interested
that.
about that.
So
So
series
series
content.
content.
What's
What's
all this
all this
about?
about?
Well,
Well,
I do not
I
know
do not know
about it.
about
So
it.
since
So
this is my
since this is
first
my first
video,
video, I'm going to
um
um
I was
I
just
was just
giving an
giving an
introduction
introduction
about
about
the
the
Binance
Binance
NFT. So the
NFT.
more
So the more
I do
I
my
do my
research
research
about this
about
series
this series
content, I'm going to
content, I'm
create
going
a
to create
video
a
about
video
that.
about that.
So for
So
now,
for
let's
now,
go into the
let's go into the
marketplace and
marketplace
see
and see
if there are
if there
any
are any
NFT
NFT
available,
available,
and
and
to also
to
see
also
if we
see if we
could
could
also add
also
our
add our
NFT to it.
NFT to it.
Wow. As you
Wow.
can
As
see,
you can
there are
see, there are
different
different
NFT
NFT
available for
available for
auction.
auction.
Wow.
Wow.
There are
There are
different
different
NFT
NFT
available for
available for
auction in
auction in
different
different
categories. We have
categories. We have
all, we have
all, we have
mystery box,
mystery
we have
box, we have
art,
art,
sports,
sports,
entertainment,
entertainment,
gaming,
gaming,
collectible,
collectible,
esports,
esports,
NFT for
NFT
gold.
for
So there are
good. So
different
there are different
categories that are
categories that are
available. And
available. And
these
this
are
are
other
other
Tokidoki
Tokidoki
NFT. As you
NFT.
can see,
As you
this
can
one
see, this
is
one is
bidding
bidding
for
for
around
around
800
800
USD, while this
USD,
one
while
is
this one
for
is for
one.
one.
This is
This is
interesting.
interesting.
This is
This is
interesting.
interesting.
These are for
These are
people
for
who
people
have
who have
digital
digital
assets that want
assets
to
that want to
sell.
sell.
So since
So
I'm
since I'm
interested in
interested in
sports, let's go
sports,
into
let's go
the
into the
sports
sports
categories
categories
and see
and
what
see
we
what
have
we
here.
have here.
Wow,
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 wow.
wow.
It's
It's
interesting.
interesting.
It's
It's
interesting.
interesting.
So
So
let's go
let's
into
go
this
into
one and
this one and
see
see
these
these
product
product
details and
details and
see
see
so
so
currently
currently
the
the
current
current
bidding
bidding
price
price
is
is
0.225,
0.225,
and you can
and you can
see
see
there are
there are
different
different
bidders.
bidders.
There are
There are
different
different
bidders for this
bidders for this
item.
item.
I
I
think this
think
is
this is
crazy.
crazy.
This is
This is
crazy. The
crazy. The
world is
world
really
is really
changing.
changing.
Gone are the
Gone are the
days when we
days when
need
we need
bank
banks
to
to
make
make
trades,
trades,
to
to
transact money
transact
so that we
money so
can
that we
make
can make
profit.
profit.
Now people
Now
can do
people
it
can do
on
it
their
on
own
their
and
own
make
and make
profit.
profit.
Imagine if I
Imagine if I
bought
bought
this
this
NFT, this
NFT, this
digital
digital
picture
picture
at this
at this
price, and
price,
I'm
and I'm
auctioning it
auctioning it
out in
out in
2 years
2 years
now
from now
for
for
800
800
USD.
USD.
Well,
Well,
there'll be
there'll
someone
be
crazy
someone
in the
crazy in
world
the
that will be
world that will
willing
be
to buy
willing to
it.
buy it.
So let me
So let
know
me
what
know
you
what
think
you think
about
about
this
this
um,
um
NFT,
NFT,
Binance
Binance
NFT.
NFT.
Let me know.
Let me
So
know.
let's
So
go into
let's
the
go into the
mystery box.
mystery box.
If you're new
If
to
you're
my
new to my
channel and
channel
you have
and you have
enjoyed my
enjoyed my
videos,
videos, I want you to like
this video
this
so that
video
more
so that
people are
more
going to
people are going
see
to
it.
see it.
More people
More
do not
people
know
do not
about
know about
Binance
Binance
NFT,
NFT,
and also
and also
subscribe
subscribe
to my
to my
channel because
channel
that's
because
going to be
that's going to be
fantastic.
fantastic.
That is one
That
way
is
you
one
can
way you can
show
show
you
you
want me to be
want me to be
dropping
dropping the
videos
videos
weekly. I'll
weekly.
really
I'll really
appreciate that.
appreciate that.
So it's
So it's
getting
getting
All-Star
All-Star
Mystery Box
Mystery
Series
Box
1.
Series
Get
1.
it
Get it
now.
now.
So let's see.
Let's see.
Oh, the
Oh, the
All-Star
All-Star
Mystery
Mystery
Box.
Box.
The
The
mystery box
mystery
is
box
already
is already
sold for
sold for
20
20
BUSD.
BUSD.
Wow,
Wow,
that's nice.
that's nice.
So
So
that's
that's
all for
all
this
for
video
this
about
video about
Binance
Binance
NFT.
NFT.
Subscribe,
Subscribe,
like this video because in
because
my
in my
next
next
video I'm
video
going to be
I'm going to be
showing you
showing you
how
how
to
to
make
make
trades with
trades with
Binance
Binance
USD.
USDT.
See you in my
See you
next
in my
video.
next video.